Crusader fans, Tom Lamb here. As always, welcome to the big show. This is CrusaderCenter. Let's get right into the highlights. Last Friday, the varsity basketball team took on CCL rival Fenwick in the North Gym. The Crusaders trailed 53-51 with 11 seconds left.
I'm thinking, get the ball to Cosme, he'll make something happen.
Here's Henderson. Henderson in the corner for three! That's in the ball! Ahmad Henderson!
Ahmad Henderson's three-pointer from the corner gave Brother Rice a thrilling 54-53 win. The following afternoon, the Crusaders defeated local rival Marist by the score of 63-42.
Baseline, can he capitalize on the size difference? Swing pass, Harrell, baseline, back to Cosme, Cohen, Cosme for three, of course! Good rebound, Showers. Back up top, Brandon Bryant to Henderson, Henderson for three. Why not? I think we all knew that. Meanwhile, corner three from Knight won't go. Henderson's got Showers with him 2-on-1. Showers, great finish, great finish.
The team was led in scoring by Nick Harrell, who I beat in a one-on-one, Ahmad Henderson with 13, Colin Cosme with 12, and Tyler Showers with a 10-piece. After a hard-fought 38-36 win over Loyola on Wednesday, the Crusaders are a top team in the CCL with a 10-0 record. The varsity bowling team has recently knocked off two rivals as well. Last week, the Crusaders defeated St. Lawrence 3,058 to 2,717, led by Tony Lundy and Josh Bell, who rolled 771, 641 series, respectively. On Wednesday, they defeated Marist by almost 600 points. Congrats to the Rolling Crusaders on an incredible week. The swimming and diving team lost a close meet to St. Ignatius on Saturday, but strong performances were turned in by Kieran Schumacher in both the 50 and the 100 freestyle. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in next week, and don't forget to subscribe to your Brother Rice Chicago YouTube channel.